Hi all, it's Friday afternoon, finished work early. Thought I'd come up and play some trains. Not done a video for ages, had quite a lot of things going on, so not had time. But I would like to dedicate this video to anyone who's going through a rough time at the moment, or not feeling good, or for whatever reason. In particular, Alan at Leighton Junction and Al Jr. as well. I know they like the Continental train, so I thought I'd dedicate this video to him. And also Al at Dragon Junction as well. I know he's had a tough time with his wife. They've been ill. And anyone else really, if you're going through a tough time. It's upsetting when you hear of your subscribers who you really like and they're going through you see it and they're not having a good time, you know, and they're telling you the story on the channel, and you sort of feel for them. And I do think about the subscribers if they're not feeling good or having a bad time. So anyway, just thought I'd do a video anyway. And I'm going to stitch some video shots together. At the moment I've just got TGVs running around. I've had these on the layout now for about 6 months probably, and they've done a lot of mileage on the automation, so I'm just servicing each one, which means after about 20 hours of use I service the wheels, oil the wheels, clean all the contacts on the pickups, etc. And I'm just testing them out now just to see how they're running. They're all running okay at slow speed. Anyway, I'll just show a couple of other items I've got. Yeah, I got this building here, which is a pub. I'm going to add some more people and some benches to that area. I've got another little building next to it as well. That runs along the path runs along that back area of the layout, runs the entire length, that little sort of sandy path. It goes along, got an ET hut there, cafe, and it runs along into a small little tiny park there with people in it and kids flying kites. Just zoom into that a minute. Don't know if you can see it. What that path then runs along into the station, into the town area, which is it's not massive, but I've been adding buildings to that as well. I'm still got a couple more coming. I've got a fountain statue for the centre of the courtyard. That's on its way. I've got other things for the turntable on the way as well. Some other bits, little accessories, etc. That's a service bay for the TGV, which is quite wide. And they usually service the trains on the desk over there, but at the moment I've got the recording studio with all my drum machines and synthesizers out here at the moment, which is that's another part of one of my other interests. But anyway, I'll get onto the video. I'll put some shots together. Take care everyone.